gonna make the people them call you. What's the
love is there.
What's the number? Phone number.
488
488
3552.
But
3552.
Randy,
Is that your number?
Then Randy, no to use card.
No, I just want you to say it on the video.
What? My number?
So that they hear it. So that they can come buy your stuff. People, Jahbless is in Lucea. What's the place name?
Canaan.
Canaan, Lucea. You have his number. Say it again, my king.
488. But the first thing you have to put in, 876 first. And then it's 488 3552.
And you guys come support his movement.
Yeah, these one are pins now. These now is not magnet. These now is pins. Well, I have some. The one
So you could make sip for them when they come.
Anytime, man, because me is a sip man. Like these now, like these now. You can write anything you want on it. Special. The one where I have no writing. Excuse me. I mean, like some of them Friday night, Friday night.
What the pin this today? The pin this.
This one?
Yeah.
Should make up, okay, put some more up. Me have them if you build up, man. Cook, me I buy some coconut, them and them big, sir. Sit down, and look. To my ears, I show you trimble, don't? A little fine brush do all them work, all them 3 days, a little fine brush. And we should be trimbling.
Have you ever painted like on a canvas